When discussing weather modification and control, the High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, more commonly known as HAARP, stands out as an enigmatic but central subject. Located in the serene wilderness of Alaska, HAARP is often touted as a simple research facility by its proponents. But upon a closer and more in-depth analysis, several pieces of evidence suggest that HAARP may possess capabilities beyond what has been openly admitted. To begin with, let's take a look at the facility's official description. HAARP is essentially a collection of antennas, a powerful high-frequency transmitter, known as the Ionospheric Research Instrument. This instrument sends focused beams of radio waves into the ionosphere. The ionosphere is a layer of charged particles in the atmosphere that, when tickled or agitated by these radio waves, can have its properties altered. Now, what does this mean? At a basic level, the ability to manipulate the ionosphere can lead to a range of applications. Some are benign, such as improving radio communications or studying natural phenomena. However, others can be quite profound. Modifying the ionosphere can influence the Earth's magnetic fields. With enough power and precision, it's conceivable that you could alter weather patterns. One compelling piece of proof often pointed to by researchers is the peculiar timing of extreme weather events around the world in correlation with recorded high activity from the HAARP facility. Satellite data and energy output readings have shown spikes in HAARP's activity shortly before unexpected and unseasonal weather disturbances in various parts of the globe. Could it be mere coincidence, or is there a hidden hand at play? There have been whistleblower accounts, albeit limited, from individuals who claim to have worked at or with the HAARP facility. Some describe the facility's potential capabilities in hushed tones, hinting at classified projects aimed at weather modification and even seismic activity manipulation. These accounts, while difficult to verify, consistently paint a picture of a facility with the potential to wield significant influence over global weather patterns. One of the most critical pieces of information comes from understanding the sheer amount of energy HAARP can generate. The official narrative states that HAARP's IRI can produce over 3.6 million watts of power. With that level of energy, even minor manipulations can have a cascading effect. Think of it like the butterfly effect, but on a much larger and more controlled scale. An alteration in the ionosphere above Alaska can create ripples that change weather patterns in Africa or South America. Beyond the whistleblower accounts and satellite data, there have been declassified documents hinting at the military's interest in weather modification. While they don't mention HAARP directly, the existence of these documents shows that the idea isn't merely the realm of science fiction. In the past, cloud seeding was a well-known technique. If we consider HAARP to be an evolution of that concept, with the added advantage of not needing chemicals or aircraft, its potential becomes evident. In conclusion, while it's easy to dismiss the theories surrounding HAARP and weather control as mere speculation, the evidence, when compiled and analyzed, paints a rather thought-provoking picture. The facility's capabilities, coupled with documented military interest in weather modification, suggest that HAARP might be more than what it seems on the surface. The question then becomes, to what end is this potential being used? While the exact goals remain unknown, the importance of understanding HAARP's role in the bigger picture cannot be understated. The convergence of science, nature, and geopolitical strategy is a fascinating realm, and the HAARP facility sits right at its nexus. Whether used for benevolent purposes or otherwise, one thing is certain: HAARP's influence on our planet could be far-reaching and profound. Stay open-minded, fellow insiders.